Hello and welcome to the tutorial on getting started with the Robotiq platform. To get started, you will receive an invitation in your email to access the platform. Once logged in, go to the Departments menu and click on the Add Department button to create a new department. Specify the name of the department. Next, create a team that will have access to the department, allowing them to create processes within it. Add users to the team and assign rights to the created department. Before creating a process, you will need to install a development robot. Start the installation process by clicking on Download Robot. It may take a few seconds. After the download is finished, click on the installation package and follow the steps. For more detailed information on installation procedures and menu options, refer to our knowledge base articles. Once the installation is successful, go to the Process menu to create a new process. In this process, we will add a new variable with the value Hello World. At each step, you can find an info button to understand its purpose. Selecting the Display State step will allow you to transmit the created variable. After setting everything up, you can save the process in the department you created and run it. Congratulations, you have started your first process and set up everything you need. Now you are ready to explore what Robotiq has to offer and automate your processes. To access all the necessary information about the Robotiq platform, visit the Help Center located in the bottom left corner of the website. This will give you direct access to our knowledge base, which contains all the essential information. Additionally, you can find a link to the Robotiq community forum where you can ask questions and learn from the community. Good luck with your learning.